Here, and today I'll be talking about protocols with mutating functions. So what does mutating function means? It basically means like whenever you implement the protocol within your structure or enumeration, that function can like change the properties of that particular instance. So in that case you need to declare the function as a mutating in the protocol itself. So this is the formal definition that I have copied from the swift.org. So what it says is that it's sometimes necessary for a method to modify or mutate the instance it belongs to. For instance, methods on value types, that is structures and enums. You place the mutating keyword before a method's function keyword to indicate that the method is allowed to modify the instance it belongs to and any properties of that instance. So like as we know that like the mutating function, they can change the properties of that instance, right? So let's begin an example, and with that like it will be much more illustrative. So let's create a protocol quickly. Protocol, protocol is the keyword, and the toggle, I would like, this is the example that was mentioned in the swift.org. So just want to relate to the same example because it was like very uh, self-explanatory. Mutating is the keyword we need to use. The function is function, and toggle was the, like, it is the name of the function. So it does not have any return type, so we do not have to worry about that. And let's, after that, we need to like declare like enum. So I'm not using a structure here, I'm just using enum, but you can use a structure on your side, right? Off switch, on off switch. So this is the enum that I'm going to create, and it is like, it is extending the protocol called toggle that we created. And then after that, what we need to do is like, let's define a let's first of all confirm those stubs. Then after what I want to do is I want to define the case on off, right? And then after like, what I want to do is I want to change the properties. So these cases are the properties of this enumeration, right? So I just want to change these properties within this mutating function, right? So let's define a switch statement, and okay, we are switching over self, right? In case it is on, we just set self is equals to dot off, and I want to get rid of this. So if the case is off, then self is equals to dot on. Okay, what it is saying? Okay, it is exhaustive. Okay, we have like defined the mutating function, and it is like working on the properties that was defined. So mutating function has the control of changing the instance of a given enumeration or structure. Like it it can change the properties, right? So that is like, that is how like mutating function works. Then after, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable called light switch. Then after I'm going to instantiate an object of on off switch, and I want to like set it as off. Print light switch okay. What I'm going to do is no, actually not, this is not what I wanted to do. Light switch dot uh, toggle. Let's see what will happen. Running it takes time sometime, and I have like, for information, I have used this website swift.org. It is the official website of Swift. There's a lot of information over there. It is all about Swift. So you can like go through the website and get familiar with the other like other part of the Swift as well. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, so it was off before and we set it to on by using toggle. So what I want to do is, let's delete it. What will happen? Does it work? It does not. Cannot assign to value. Self is immutable. Okay, so you can see, right? So let's undo the change. And what if we delete here? uh, does it work or not? Let's see. Why it is taking like forever? I cannot believe. Okay, it's not executing. Let's run it again. Okay, let's run one more time and see. Okay, let's get rid of this one. Okay, okay. So what I had like, I went through the documentation and it was written that the mutating keyword, once it is already declared, it is no longer required over like the implementation part. So I just wanted to check, but it is taking like forever, so I just want to stop my video right here, and I'll be like putting this file in the description box below. You can download and play it around, right? And that's all for today, and have a great day. Thank you.